Here's your 5-step intervention plan to break the cycle without destroying family relationships. This isn't about cutting kids off. It's about creating a structured path to independence that works for both generations. Step 1. Audit your spending. Track every dollar you give your adult child for 3 months. Most parents underestimate by 40 to 60%. Use a simple spreadsheet or app to record amounts, dates, and reasons. The Hernandez family thought they were giving their son $500 per month. The audit revealed $1,200, including his Spotify subscription and weekly grocery deliveries. Seeing the total shocked everyone. "We were spending more on his takeout than our retirement contributions," Mrs. Hernandez admitted. Once you have a clear audit, the next critical move is Step 2. Hold a money summit. Schedule a formal money talk with hard numbers. Bring your audit results, your retirement account statements, and their budget, if they have one. Lay everything on the table, literally. One family printed out a year's worth of Venmo transactions and spread them across the kitchen table. Their 28-year-old daughter said, "I didn't realize my little asks added up to $18,000. The visual impact changes everything. With the numbers out in the open, it's time to create a plan. Step 3. Taper support gradually. Create a 6 to 12-month phase-out plan with clear milestones. For example, our support drops 25% every quarter. The Marshalls gave their son this timeline. Months 1 to 3, we cover 100% of current support. Months 4 to 6, we cover 75%. Months 7 to 9, we cover 50%. Months 10 to 12, we cover 25%. By month 13, 0. Their son picked up freelance work in month 4 and was fully independent by month 11. This gradual approach ensures they have time to adjust while building their own financial habits. Step 4. Empower through matching. Shift from giving to incentivizing. For every dollar they save, you match it, up to a set amount. The Thompsons offered to match their daughter's savings dollar for dollar toward a security deposit. She saved $3,000 in 6 months, they matched it, and she moved out with $6,000 in the bank. It taught her to prioritize saving over spending, Mr. Thompson said. This strategy encourages responsibility while still providing support. Step 5. Stick to the plan. No just this once exceptions. Financial planner Rachel Carter says, "One bailout erases 6 months of progress." When the Wilsons' son had a real emergency, a $900 car repair 2 months after becoming independent, they didn't pay it. Instead, they helped him negotiate with the mechanic and find a credit card with 0% APR. Tough love, he called it, but he's never missed an oil change since. The Nguyen family used a shared Google Sheet for full transparency. Color-coded columns showed parental contributions, their son's income, expenses, and savings progress. Seeing everything in one place changed the conversation, Mr. Nguyen said. Their son realized his $400 monthly coffee habit equaled his potential car payment. He bought a French press and saved $3,800 in a year. Here's the twist. Many kids step up when they see the real numbers. A Fidelity study found 68% of young adults changed their spending habits after seeing parents' retirement accounts. One 27-year-old said, "I had no idea my $800 rent help was coming from their 401k. I'd have gotten roommates sooner if I knew." Certified financial planner Marcus Hardy advises, treat this like a business transition, because it is. That means written agreements, even if just email. Quarterly reviews. Clear metrics for success. One family created a freedom contract outlining decreasing support and increasing responsibilities. Their daughter had to show proof of job applications, then interviews, then offers. "It felt harsh at first," she said, "but it got me my dream job." The Carter family's intervention revealed something surprising. Their 29-year-old son was actually relieved when they presented the phase-out plan. "I wanted to be independent," he admitted, "but the money kept coming, so I kept taking it." Within 8 months, he'd negotiated a raise that covered all his previously subsidized expenses. By following these steps, auditing, communicating, tapering, incentivizing, and staying consistent, you create a roadmap to financial independence. The long-term benefits? Stronger relationships, healthier boundaries, and kids who thrive on their own.